My original idea to put these two cabinets together was pretty simple. I was just going to take the two backs of the cabinets and leave them out, and then put them back to back and drill some holes in the little flanges on the inside and bolt it together. But I didn't really like that. I had the issue at the bottom where the two cabinets are joined together. Get some light. There we go. Down here at the bottom where these two funnels come together, there's a little bit of a space, and I was just going to take a piece of metal, flat piece of metal along the bottom, drill some holes and bolt it up and call it a day. But I didn't really like that because it was going to take really too much effort, more than I wanted to put in. So the next idea was to just take the two pieces of the cabinet, the back pieces, and cut along the bottom of those and bolt them together. But I figured if I was going to go through that much trouble to try to get this thing together, I might as well just modify the whole back panel of the cabinet. So I slid the back panels back in the cabinets, and the two sides here, the two flanges of the cabinet, they're not the same width. One side is a little bit narrow and one side is wider. The wider side is for the normal door that mounts right there. So no matter how I cut it, it was going to be at least as wide as that largest flange was on the back of the cabinet. So I just went ahead and traced the largest width, the largest flange on both sides of the panels, laid them out and just zipped them off with the old little whirly wheel and put it back together. It was the easiest solution, and I think it turned out pretty good. So I'll show that in this video, how I did that. Go ahead and like the video and subscribe if you don't mind, and enjoy.